With Thomas. Thanks very much, Kate. Well, certainly a day for remember. That's for sure. Let me just remind you that the weather warning from the Met Office is for much of the United Kingdom. That's for the rest of the day and into the evening hours. And ironically, most of the snow has actually fallen in the Thames Valley. And this is, if you recognise it, the Queen Vic and Albert Square. More snow on the way for us here. Now, let's see how much snow we've had. The North Downs, some reports of around about 28 centimetres, so that's about a foot of snow. Within Greater London, up to 20 centimetres, that's around about 8 inches. And for the rest of the country, we've seen around about, say, 10. That's 4 inches of snow. But many of these areas will get another 10 to 15 centimetres. So, for example, in parts of London, by the time the snow is through, we will have lying around about a foot of snow, which is quite extraordinary, really, for London, if you think about it. So this is the situation at around about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The triangles here indicate where we're seeing most of the snowfall, and this snow will last for many, many hours. The temperatures are sub-zero right across Greater London, East Anglia, and the snow moves towards northern parts of England. This is where we're going to see a tremendous amount of snowfall during the course of the evening and overnight tonight. And then that snow will start to reach eastern parts of Scotland. Not too much of wintry weather in the west of Scotland or Northern Ireland. Here just a couple of wintry flurries, that's all. And also we've not seen too much snow across western parts of Wales or the southwest of the country. But interestingly, we've actually had reports of around 15 centimetres of snow in the Channel Islands, believe it or not. Now that's something. And back towards the southeast of the country, again, a reminder of that heavy snow affecting places like Berkshire and Hampshire as well. So this is the track of the snow, the rush hour. The snow then transfers northwards, but this area here across parts of northern England to the east of the Pennines, this is where we could see something like 40 centimetres of extra snow, and that really is an awful amount. And then all of that snow will be heading towards the borders of Scotland and eastern Scotland. Now there is some snow melt on the major routes, of course sub-zero temperatures tonight in on some country lanes even down to -8. All of that will freeze, which of course means that tomorrow morning, well, it's just going to be an ice rink out there, to be honest with you. The good news is tomorrow that there is going to be some sunshine around. It's still going to be a cold day. Briefly, temperatures will get up to around about 2 or 3 degrees, but certainly cold in the morning. And the only place with some heavy snowfall tomorrow, we think, is eastern parts of Scotland, maybe some heavier showers across the south. Here's a quick outlook for the middle of the week. We're not out of the woods yet. There still will be some wintry showers around later on in the week, possibly even a little bit more snow, but nothing like what we've seen so far today.